Monday morning here. Didn't do one right when we got here, but working on building the waterfall area. That's gonna have a little drop and spill in. One of the guys is off getting some RiverStone so we can finish out edges, finish transitions up here. Water's in, all this stuff is kind of in around these edges, so we're gonna start cutting this back. And this is all going to get gravel because they got big dogs, so no mulch on the front side. So that's where we are. Got our holding tank set, so once we kind of get over here, we're gonna get that going. But we've got some drizzle, which is not forecast, but it had it yesterday as well, and it was supposed to stop. So here's what it is, but we're gonna keep rocking. No rain is not working at the moment for us. Started to come down pretty heavy at the moment, so we're waiting it out. We're working on trying to set our waterfall rocks, so let's see if this passes. Into day 3. Didn't get everything done hoped we would. Did make progress. We got the edges over here all finished up. Waterfall framed out. We gotta do some small boulders and edge treatment through there. Got that big giant rock in there. That actually doesn't look it, but that E20 barely lifted that. I mean, to get that in there. It is thick. So did what we had to, got that in. We've got a finished edge over here, finished an edge back in there. We'll get that all done in the morning. We've got to clean up, and hopefully this dries a bit tonight because it was not fun. Yeah. Hello. So I am wet. The guys are wet. We are actually down 2 guys. One had to leave early, one was off today, and it rained. And when it stopped raining, it decided it would start raining again and again and again and again. Probably should have called the day, but you know, it kept looking like it was going to get nice, and sure enough, well, it doesn't look it, but around 3:30 it stopped raining. Made progress, got everything in here really done. Waterfall area built. We've got to just finish off edges and stuff. Really, tomorrow we're back. Little boulders, setting stuff around edges, finishing that up, planting it, finishing the edge treatment. So thankfully, won't be a long day. We'll get it done. But today sucked. Guys were troopers. They held out through the whole thing, you know, because we do what we gotta do. Unfortunately, you know, we had today and tomorrow, really, we had to get it done just because Wednesday I have to be at a meeting somewhere, so I'm not available, and I want to try and get it done with them. So, yeah, so we've got all these edges to clean up. Got a lot of thick, heavy plywood, as well as our plastic sheets to get out of here. John, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
No. Today sucked. Today's one of those days in hindsight. If I knew it was going to rain this much, would have canceled if we could. All right, end of day 3. We made progress, not as much as we would, but that was because Mother Nature didn't let us. It's filling. We got to finish up stuff tomorrow and get this thing wrapped up. All right, so it is Tuesday, and well, it's not sunny, it's cloudy, but I will take that. So we are back. We are finishing up here. Weather is hopefully nice for us. Yeah, that's John over there, Mr. Happy-Go-Lucky.
Yeah, we're finishing up, all right.
Where my plan is we'll be out of here in about 3-4 hours.
Damn straight.
Get them clean this side up, get all these boards, get the machine out of here. Got a couple boulders go around the side, then put in the aquatics and the plants, and go back and see if my boots are finished drying, because Daddy's got his backup boots on. So you know, that's where we are. We are here. Looks like it dried a bit, hopefully. Keep my fingers crossed, but you know, working and getting this complete for this client, and on to the next one. So keep watching, because you'll see a time lapse shoot right about now. All right, and so just like that, we are done. This is our medium pondless we have built here. Has a waterfall right on the edge, some basic landscaping, aquatic plants, some basic lighting in it. It's all set up and running. They have some gravel on this side. Let me know what you think. What do you think about this one? Interesting how the grade and elevation around here kind of changed, and we had to work to make this something that didn't drop off like the way their yard did.